Good morning, students. Today we're going to discuss the solar system that we live in. And that solar system is called the Milky Way. You may have heard of that, and it's just like the popular candy bar, the Milky Way. It's pretty cool, huh? Does anyone think we are alone in our solar system, perhaps? Are we humans the only ones in the solar system that we live in, or could there possibly be someone else? It's pretty interesting, huh? Anybody think we're alone? Okay, those are all great answers. I have another question. Now, has anyone watched any movies or TV shows where humans have traveled and gone off and visited another planet? Oh, really? Okay. What are some of the planets that you visited? Do you remember the names? Okay. All right. That is pretty cool. All right. Awesome. Awesome. Well, while we have traveled to the moon, there have been a few visits to the moon. We have yet to physically send a human to another planet. However, scientists and astronauts are working hard every day, conducting all kind of experiments, research, in hopes of actually sending a human to another planet to see if life can live on the other planet. Because as of right now, we only know that life and any living organisms take place on Earth. So we're working to do that. Does anyone know which planet that we've actually sent some of our space equipment to conduct research and take pictures and things like that? Nobody? Okay. Well, we have actually sent equipment to one of the planets that's closest to us. And, our planet is Earth. And that planet that we've sent, equipment to research is Mars. Does anyone know anything about Mars? Some of you mentioned you had seen it in a movie. Okay. What do you remember from the movie that you know about Mars? Okay. Yes, it is orange. And they typically, its atmosphere doesn't allow us to breathe like we do here, oxygen on Earth. So they have to wear space suits because of that. Yeah, those are some of the things that are true. Awesome, awesome. Well, those are all great answers, and it seems many of you know a lot about that planet, and you know a lot about Mars. But we're going to talk about a little more into other planets that are in our solar system. And today we're going to get to know much, much more about our solar system and all the planets that make up our solar system. So here's a question. Does anyone know all the names of the planets that make up our solar system? Not some of them. Does anyone know all of them? No one? Okay. Well, all right. No worries at all. Because what we're going to do, we're going to go over them and introduce them one at a time. Once we're done, you'll be able to tell your family and friends all about the solar system and share that information, what you've learned with them. And we're going to start by doing that. We're going to watch a short video. It's about 3-4 minutes on YouTube. And this video introduces you to each of the planets. And I'll just let each planet introduce themselves to you and tell you a little bit about them. All right? I couldn't flip my screen.
I am the sun. I'm a burning ball of fire. I'm very big indeed. Life on earth depends on
I didn't see it on here. Not on video.
I am the sun.
Yeah.
I am Mercury.
I'm just letting it play for the time. I'm already at 4.5 minutes.
And that's 4 minutes, right?
Mm-hmm.
I'm a ball of iron. I have no moon. I am Mercury. I am Venus. I'm the same size as the Earth, but I spin the other way, much more slowly. I have no water. I am Venus. I am the Earth, the place where we all live. There is land and lots of sea, so I look blue. I have a moon. I am the Earth. I am Mars. I'm a rocky red planet. My mountains are the highest in our solar system. I have 2 moons. I am Mars. I am Jupiter. I'm a gas giant. I'm the biggest, and I spin the fastest. I have the biggest moon. I am Jupiter. I am Saturn. I'm a gas giant. My rings are made of ice. Titan is my biggest moon. I am Saturn. I am Uranus. I'm an icy gas giant. I'm the coldest planet in our solar system. And I have rings made of dust. I am Uranus. I am Neptune. I'm an icy gas giant. I'm the farthest planet from the sun. I have many storms. I am Neptune. We are the solar system. We are the solar system.
Now, wasn't that a great video? That was pretty good. That's one of my favorite videos. I love that video. So after watching the video, you heard a lot of the planets tell a little bit about themselves. And so I want to see how much attention you guys are paying. All right. So can you tell me which planet is the hottest? Raise your hand. Okay. Good job. All right. Can you tell me one of the planets that have rings? Okay. Great job. Great job. Great job. All right. Let's see. What is the hottest planet? Go ahead. All right. Good job. You guys were paying attention. All right. Well, that's great that you guys are getting to know a lot about the solar system. It's the one we live in. It's Earth, and made up of a lot of other planets. And so what we're going to do for the second part of this lecture, we're going to take a moment to design and draw our own solar system and color it, and we will go from there. Thanks, guys.